There's one quote right now that keeps just ringing in my head ever since I woke up. And that quote is, it's not about wealth, it's who you become while trying to get it well. I mean, that really stuck right here. I've just been thinking about that all day long. So many people think it's all about Forex trading for me, or it's all about real estate, or it's all about drop shipping, or it's all about whatsoever thing that you want to do, or the love of cars, or it's all about these things. No. It's about the process. I enjoy the process. I love the process. So that's why I'm still here today. It's not all about YouTube either. It's not all about entertainment. It's about the process. So what do I mean? While trying to get wealthy through any of these means that you are watching me are currently using, if that means it's no longer there, if that thing, the goal you chase is no longer there, what are the takeaways? That's why it's really important. So I just thought to myself today, the process which I follow through that really helped me up to this extent to really scale up fast. One of those were trading small account flipping. That's why people know me as I still do that till today, and proprietary firm, prop firms. What if I pick up another prop firm, trade it from scratch, zero to the payout stage, and I take out the money, fund it in my life account? How would that really feel? I feel that's going to really inspire someone out there who is struggling with maybe his $10,000 account, a proprietary firm, struggling with 25K, struggling with 5K prop firms. And for the sake of this prop firm, I'm going to be using FTMO. Let's get started. So I've picked up one already, just this money, and I already passed. I already made 10%. I want to buy at least 5, trade all of these 5, make really tangible sum of money, and then fund a life account and trade it a little bit more. That's what I'm going to be doing. So let's head straight to the trading station. I mean, it's an amazing time. Anytime I come to this trading station, there's just the aura that comes. Already on my screen, I picked up one. I've never traded FTMO challenge for a very long time. The last time I traded this thing was 2022. I'm only taking this one because I just want to show you guys that I still can do it. I just want to make sure that I have these keys back again. I only traded this account for 2 days. I would have passed just in 1 day. I already passed. This is just 2 trading days. I've only traded 24th of February and 25th of February, which is today. Today is 25th of February, 25th. I made 12,000 yesterday and I made 12,000 today, which I already passed as far as I was concerned. I made some crazy decisions, which is what led to this one that happened today. So now here's one thing, average risk reward, that you guys can see. This is my edge in trading. Now, average risk reward is what matters most. I see so many people who learn Forex trading from YouTube, maybe because they just see some ICT course and they hop on it and then they think that they understand trading. I saw someone who was saying that the stop loss is too wide. Why are you using a wide stop loss when most of the time your take profit doesn't hit? Now, this is where ignorance starts. That person doesn't really understand what trading really is. There's what we call trade management. If I use a stop loss of 100 pips stop loss, what matter is I'm getting 1 to 2 at least. As if I use a 100 pips stop loss, if I'm getting 200 pips stop loss, there's nothing wrong with it. If I'm using 1,000 pips stop loss and I'm getting 2,000 pips stop, there's nothing wrong with that trading system. It's not only when you're using 10 pips stop loss and catching 20 pips, that's trade. You have to understand things in form of percentage. Some people are day trader, swing trader. I'm a day trader, right? What does trade management comes in? There are times that my average stop losses are usually about 50 pips and my take profit is 100. But now here's the tweak with trade management, what you don't understand. While trades are going on in my favor, I always call for break even. Trade management are those things that you do after pushing your buy or sell button on your MetaTrader 5 or 4. That has already put me ahead of you. That's what you don't know. What your mentor taught you was that if someone is using big stop loss, that person is a poor trader. It is not good. This statistic said that my average, note the word average means that on a normal is 3.16. This is my trading system. This is 22 trade, this is 7 trade. I'm still going to keep trading this account because obviously you can see that I've checked everything, but it's just remaining the minimum trading days for me to pass this stage. So I'm just going to keep trading so that you guys can see that I'm more consistent. See my consistency score in just in 2 days is saying 49%. I'm going to be showing you guys more of that. And also, if you see my FX book, the third part, the one I share with my investors, you see that my statistics are no joke. So just know your values, know your number. All these things really helps. That's one of the things why I love proprietary firm. They help you to create good trading habits. That's just a basic thing. They help you to create your average risk reward. Do not play with average risk reward and do not play with profit factor. They are really very crucial. These two things are crucial. So now let me review some of the trades that I took. So the big wins for me were just GBP USD and gold, and then today GBP JPY. So the first trades that I took were both in negative. That's US oil. I closed it out because it wasn't moving so well. So I had 20 lot, 20 lot, 20 lot, 20 lot on US oil. So what I always intend to risk is just me risking 2% at a time. Sometimes I can double in. I want to risk 4%. You know, the maximum percentage that I want to risk in a day is 5. That's what FTMO gives me, which is 10K. I know I have to play around with 10K on my 200K account. I did it again, and then on my XAUSD on gold, I made $5,000 with just 10 lot. On GBPUSD, I made 3,539.36. I moved to the next phase. I made 1,960. I closed this one early because it was delayed. This was what messed my trade up. With only these wins, these are taking me to about $18,000 in profit, or maybe $19,000. This messed it up. This morning I just traded GJ, 3 GJ trades, 7,000, and then that was what put me up at this pass. This one is already done and completed. No long story. This is a new one that I just got again. I told you guys I'm going to be buying 5. This is the second one. I'm going to be taking you guys through with this one, and I'm about to start this one right now. So I'm clicking the start FTMO challenge right in front of you. There is it. It's just started, so it's nothing at all on the screen because I'm going to start placing trades right now in front of you guys for the first time. So I just logged in with $200,000 in the second challenge. Camera phone. All right, so first off, it's GJ. I'm seeing a really nice opportunity that is setting up. First off, we're in a downtrend on this time frame, so we have had a slash to the downside, 1, 2, and then we have a third one. Yeah, we are building up with the whole of these accumulation. Just in case you want to learn how to trade, I mean, you can join at my academy. That's if you want to learn how to trade the right way. So we've seen price borders down somewhere around here. So this is a high, this is a lower high, this is another high. This created exact same low as we have in this point, exact same low. Market has also touched here of 3 good times. But now the question is not whether market is going to come here or break below. That's not what I want to answer. The question is, will market take out this point where it's been hesitating from? Will it take it out? So if it's going to take it out, then I'm going to be shorting. So I'm looking forward for shorts. So let's not think this process too much. I'm just waiting. If candle starts dropping, yeah, like this, what's currently happening now, if it starts dropping, I'm just going to sell and put my stop loss at this high. So that will put me at how many pip risk? That will give me 23 pips risk on GJ. So on these 23 pips, I'll be targeting times 2, which is going to be 46. Or if it's 24 now, like the way it's 24, that would be 46, 48, thereabout. That's what I'm going to be targeting. So that would mean that my take profit, that's if I get in right here, I'm just giving instance, whatever my risk will be, then that's what it's going to be. 40, 48. Let me put it as 48 or 50. That'll be my take profit. That's what it's going to be. So that would mean I'm going to be making 1 to 2 risks to the world, just like going to the market, buying a good for 50,000 naira and going back home to sell it for 100,000 naira. That's just the best example I can give you right now. So that's what it is. So because that's going to factor in for the transportation, the cost, the profits and all of that. So that's what I'm currently looking out for at this point. Why am I looking at here, you would ask? Because market has made a rejection here before. When it came back to break, it went aggressively. Now he's breaking up. He hesitated here because he also hesitated here. Market broke up, it came back down. Why did it come back down here? Why did it not come back down here? So there is something going on right here. So if price is able to come down from there, I'm going to be shorting aggressively. But usually, because I'm with you guys, I'm very conservative on the trade. I would have actually gotten a 1 entry and then we'll just put my stop loss here, hoping that price goes down. So if you kill my stop loss, no problem. I'm only just going to be risking just 2% of my account or 1% of my account, depending on the number of entries that I'm going to get in with at the time. I hope that makes sense. While I'm waiting for the trade to play out or for my condition to be met, I just chill here at the living room. Joe here is learning how to drive. I told him to learn how to drive. So one of the key things I always love people around me to learn, there are 3 things I believe everyone should learn in life. Number 1, learning how to drive. You have to learn how to drive. Number 2, you have to learn how to swim. That's why I've got a swimming pool downstairs there. Good. And then the third thing is speak another language. Another language? No, I mean another international language. Yeah. Okay, German. Okay, so he's learning the German. He's learning Dutch. Okay, good. So he's learning German. So, but now he's learning the okay, you want to learn French. Bonjour, but they taught you French in school, right? How many months are you in your driving school now? Okay, second week. So he has only gone for second week. Can you move a car? Yes. Why don't you try it? Yes, sir. We should try it. You sure? Okay, let's go try with it. Should we try with the McLaren or what? Okay, don't worry. Okay, you want to try with the Hilux? Okay, let's go. I'm always up for the challenge. Let's go. Let me get my phone whilst we are moving. I'm checking the trades. So that while we are test driving, I'm checking the trades. So you know, I'm first. Bring it here. Bring it here. I want to see your first things that you do first when you get in the car. So what are the first things you do? Let's see.
First, starting my car, put on my seatbelt.
Okay.
Then I wait for the car to warm a little bit.
Okay. How many minutes?
Just like 2 minutes.
Okay.
Or 1 minute.
Can you give me a mic? Okay, let's go. No problem. So how do you know that if it's warm? How do you know if it's warm now, like you said?
I think the sound will change.
Okay. You think the sound will change? Are you sure I'm not wasting money? Okay, let's go. Let's go. I think it's already warm because this is not the first time. The cold start is done already. So you put it on drive. So let's go. Okay.
It's soft than what I'm driving.
It's softer than the one you're using.
Yes, sir.
This is a 2022 Hilo. So what do you expect? You have to slow down, press brake, let her pass, let it pass. Wait, let her pass. Then you're gonna go here. Let's drive into the estate. Are you shy?
No, nah.
Okay, there are some certain places you don't drive to. Or what? Okay. Okay, let's go. Guys, I'm really tense. I'm not the one driving, but I'm scared. Okay, let's go. You want to drive straight? Drive straight, don't do turning. Yeah. Can you turn there? You are sure? Turn here. Turn here. I want to see your turning. Oh yeah, turn. Okay, okay. Return your hand. Yeah, good. Keep turning. But then you don't use your side mirrors?
I don't know that I'm not.
Hello. Yeah, well done.
I'm not been taught how to reverse yet.
Okay. No, it's fine. Well done. Careful, there's someone at the back. So keep turning. No, keep turning. No. They are putting on the sport side, so you have to leave it here. If you turn it here, sport. This is normal drive. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna wait because someone can just be coming out from here. Yeah, we are going back. Okay, you want to still move around. So, but in your driving lesson, what you said they have not taught you reverse. So that means you have got curriculum. What curriculum are you guys currently in?
I'm currently on bombs. How to climb bombs and U-turn. How to turn on U-turn.
Okay.
Yes, my need.
I'll try here now. Let's see how you're gonna enter here. My heart almost flew. So you want us to park? You want us to leave the car and then you park it? Can you park? Yo!
So that you drop.
Joe the pilot. That's what they call you now. Oh yeah, let me drop. Joe is learning how to drive. That's good. Like they just wash the interior. Imagine Joe cannot drive this age. One of the important things I know about life is learning is always a process. So when you start, it's like Greek, just like trading too. So to so many people, trading almost feels very impossible. Some of you probably watching him now, they already know how to drive. Be like, oh, that's simple. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm gonna give you try. Since it's just your 2 days, I'm gonna give you 9. It's just your 2 weeks in. So I mean, I'm judging based on 2 weeks in. Just like I'm judging a baby on how he's reading, how he or she is reading. But there's some things you need to.
I know that.
Oh, nice. So now this setup is already invalidated because GG is gone up. So the next thing is I have to start looking for GBP USD. Looking at GBP USD, most of the time they do the same thing because it's powered by GBP. Let's see GBP USD, almost the same thing, I guess. Yeah, same thing going on here. So everything is pushing up. Let's see gold. Gold is just playing around there and there. There's not so much opportunity going on gold. I'll just wait a bit. So US oil. These are my daily routines. What I check every now and then. I check gold, GJ, GU, US oil, and THLJPY is a new pair I just added. Guys, I'm just about to place trade now. First thing first, I'm seeing is on USD card. I'm seeing an opportunity to go short. This is a clear M pattern that you're seeing here. The first, second one is the mini one, is the main one. So from here, since we have seen a slash to the downside, I'm waiting for candle to come to the half of the body of this impulsive bearish move, and that's what is currently happening, even beyond half. So I'll just go in with my first entry now. So my entry is going to be here, exact, and I'm going to be putting my stop somewhere around here. That's 24 pips stop loss. I'm going to be targeting 48 and my take profit 48. So let me go in and enter with 10 lot. My first time to place trade on this account, that's why that popped up. I'm in with 10 lot. No, let me make it 20. I just have 2 entries now. That's 20 lot. So I'm going to adjust now for my stop. The stop is 1.48808. Sorry, 1.42808. I'm copying it and I'm pasting for other ones. Copy. So that's my first trade. Let's see how this plays out. So 1 to 2 risk to reward is what is really important to me. All right, so guys, while I was live right now, I hopped on this GJ trade because I do live trading with my students. So I saw this opportunity right where I was with them and I hopped in. So this is a previous high that was tested. Price also tested this high too as well. And now price also burst a little bit above and then came back down. So I feel that it's also going to drop as much as it dropped here, or maybe at least get somewhere around here. I just got in for a sell. So that's what you can see there. I went in with 3 entries. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 entries. So overall, I'm up 1,002. My USD card is still dropping because on USD card, I got in with some extra lot at the top with 2 10 lots right there. So I'm expecting everything to keep tanking. So that's what I'm currently in on. I'll update you guys later on. All right, cheers. So guys, it's currently $3,500 in profit. Let me go get my lunch. It's my lunch time. It's currently 15 o'clock, and then you see GJ got to this point and it's tanking already, tanking from this point. So I'm still expecting more drops. But on USD card, let's see USD card, that one is just very indecisive. It's still just playing around with the emotion. So this 20 lot here is in profit, but this one is in drawdown. So not so much going on with that. So but then on a brighter note, we are still positive. Launch served. US oil is looking so tempting. Come see, guys. Come see. With these patterns that has happened, this is on US oil. With these patterns that has happened, it shows that it can go below this point. So I'm looking forward to go long. Let's see. If it drops a bit, I'll go long. If it drops, give me a really good entry, I'll go long there. In Nigeria, we eat a lot of meat, but sometimes we don't finish everything, but we just have the luxury of just having it around. And this is goat meat, mutton, and then this is turkey. I've secured some. It's not $204,000. That's because I closed my GJ in $4,000 profit. Now, USD card is still floating, just in a $1,000 profit. I think I might just want to close pretty soon and then explore that trading opportunity. Let's go upstairs. I'm seeing an opportunity on CHF JPY. After I play this trade, I think I can reward myself by playing PS5. Let's go. CHF JPY. I just added this pair to my watch list. I looked at it. I think it's a nice thing to continue buy opportunity. Came back to this point of hesitation. I think you should head back up again. So let me take advantage. CHF JPY. So since it moves like JPY, I'm just gonna go in with just 20 lots. 20 lots. So buy one, enter in, buy twice. So my stop loss is just gonna be buying right now. My stop is somewhere around here. So I'm risking 34 pips stop to target times 2. 34 will be target here. So that's 70 pips. That's what I'm targeting. Let's see how this play out. So US oil left. I saw that buy that was beating up on US oil while I was eating, but I didn't execute because I felt I was too exposed with my other trades. I saw this buy, so I hope if this market drops a little bit more, I can get it. But good with this one already. If I get in any trade, it's not about the direction. I also want to know how much I stand to risk. If I can bear the risk, then I go in. So this is going to be 34 pips on US oil. You know, US oil is very volatile. 34 pips is a lie. It's not like compared to other ones you see. It moves very heavily. All right. So I think it's too much. I'd have to leave this one for now. Let me just check one more on GBP, JPY. GBP is going up, and maybe this time it will just break here. It will break this point and then continue going up ahead. All right. So no problem. So we are on CHF JPY, you're USD card, and then I'm watching US oil. Let's see how that goes. So let me just check USD card. USD card is dropping, which is a good news, but it's taking too much time. So let me go one lot more on USD card. I'd rather invest my money on USD card. CHF JPY is in loss, so let me add one more lot to USD card. I want to add 10 lot, one more 10 lot. My stop on this USD card is 1.42808. 1.42808. It just moved up immediately. No problem. Then on my CHF JPY, my stop is 166.877. Copy and paste for the other one. So everything is in check. Let's see how this plays out. I'm down 3,706. So this puts my account back to 195,963. That's left like 196,000. All right. So I'm going to resume when I see another opportunity. So this is where I'm going to be ending this trading today. It's really been a roller coaster. I was able to make profit and then I lost it back. So today, look at all the history. So I'm down 3,706. I know every day I have to risk $10,000, but I don't want to over risk on this account. So I just leave it at this. I still have 195. Let's say $196,000 approximately. So the next trading days, I wait for it to reset. The next trading days, I get started again. So one important thing about PropFM is not about how much you're able to make in a day. It's how much you're able to make without risking 5%. So it's a different tweak to it because you now have a loss limit that you are maintaining. All right. So that's going to be it for this episode. Make sure you subscribe, smash the like button so this video can be recommended to the other people. See you guys some other ones, and bye for now.